Today we're installing a Mad Jack's gun rack. Included in this package is the gun rack itself and the mounting hardware. We're going to need a 3/8 drill bit, a 13mm socket, a 14mm socket, and 2 cordless drills. We have removed our mounting bracket from our gun rack and we will now mark our drill locations. We have decided to install our gun rack on the front footstop. It can also be mounted on the floorboard. Now we're going to fasten our bracket with the hardware provided. Insert your bolt through, washer and nut, and then tighten. Now we can tighten our hardware. Now we're going to reattach our gun rack to our mounting bracket with the mounting screws. You have now installed your Mad Jack's gun rack.